To make an appointment with the Social Security Administration, start by visiting their official website at ssa.gov. Click on the Get Help tab and select the type of service you need, such as applying for a new Social Security card or Medicare. You can also call the Social Security Administration directly at their toll-free number to schedule an appointment over the phone. Have your Social Security number and other identifying information ready when you call. Another option is to visit your local Social Security office in person. You can find the address and phone number of your local office on the Social Security Administration website. Before your appointment, make sure you have all the necessary documents, such as proof of identity, citizenship, and income. This will help the process go smoothly and ensure you get the help you need. When you arrive at the office for your appointment, be prepared to wait and have your documents ready. The staff will guide you through the process and answer any questions you may have. It is also important to be aware of the Social Security Administration's online services, which allow you to apply for benefits, request a replacement Social Security card, and check your application status from the comfort of your own home. Remember to plan ahead and schedule your appointment well in advance, as wait times can be long. By following these steps and being prepared, you can make the most of your appointment with the Social Security Administration and get the help you need. Additionally, consider asking a friend or family member to accompany you to the appointment, especially if you need help with communication or transportation. It is also a good idea to write down any questions or concerns you have before the appointment, so you can discuss them with the staff. By being prepared and taking advantage of the Social Security Administration's online services, you can make the appointment process as smooth and efficient as possible.